I'm playing murder mystery. Stop! I'm playing murder mystery with Blizzard Squad. No. No. I'm leaving you. I don't want. I don't want anything to do with you.
Are you actually recording now?
Yeah. Parrot!
Booty, booty, good duty. Wait. Good duty, good for foodie.
I'm about to mute you if you don't be quiet. They don't want to hear. Ooh. He killed me when I first spawned it. Ooh, that little murder. I'ma snatch her weave. Yes, I will. Snitch that weave.
You posting your videos now?
Yes. And some, not all of them. I did a voice reveal.
I did a voice reveal too, and I deleted it.
I tried deleting my voice reveal one, but it was still up.
I just deleted it right off the bat and put it on private. Did it? Like, I didn't even care. I just deleted it.
XD. Okay, we're back. What am I gonna be? I'm the murderer. Dun 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 dun.
Don't lie to me.
Dun, dun, dun.
Don't lie to me.
Hello. Hello. I am so innocent, totally.
Where are you? Where are you? I'm gonna find you. I'm innocent. Kill me. I will still kill. Okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna find you. What up? I found you.
Yeah. Yes, sirree.
You're asking a murder? I'm hiding. It is.
I'm going the other way.
It's funny here. It's funny here. Why would you go in here? I'm all alone. Yeah.
Dang it! Dang it!
Oh my god! A long I thought I was gonna die because I just jumped over you like, dude, I'm gonna die.
And I look behind me, she bow, bow, bow.
She bumped you upside your head. I'm like,
You be quiet. You be quiet. You be quiet.
I was skipping over
Bad builder in Bloxburg.
You shouldn't have said that in English.
I'm the murderer again. Period.
Don't put go.
Yay! Yoink. Hi. Who? This? It's bunny ears again. I'm not called bunny ears. I'm not called bunny ears. I'm not called bunny ears. What the? I'm not called bunny ears.
Say your name is gonna get tagged, so we just call you Bunny Ears. Oh my god. You got it 2001. You didn't kill me. I like to talk about
Be quiet. Be quiet. I'm not talking to you no more. I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna unfriend you too.
I was just joking. I was so scared. Like, dude, I'm so scared of birds. I was just like,
Why do they call me bunny ears?
I don't know. Why is it spinning? Wait a minute. Ooh.
I got killed off camera, y'all. I was trying to go get me some that's like an Oreo cookie, and this happened. So, yeah, we was still playing off camera just to have some fun, a murder mystery. But she decided to expose me for being the murderer.
Well, tell me this. You told me this 2 times and I told everybody. You should have saw it coming.
I remember 3 rounds on a row. She kept on exposing me, and they called me bunny ears.
And those are the number that got tagged.
I know, but still, they could have picked something else.
Well, I should have said beautiful queen.
Of course.
Girl, you know that was a lie.
Oh! Girl, I will snatch your weave off your head. I'm going to scratch my weave, and I'm going to throw my wig onto your head.
I'm about to get a box for
Cancer.
cancer. At least cancers are violent.
Girl, at least Geminis are better than Cancers. And we're at least tough. And we don't always cry about little things. And we don't get over...
Filling them out in the view, in the point of view. At least we stay at home, not making it friends. Because we don't care.
Girl, don't make me drag you by your head.
You want to join me?
Huh?
You want to join me?
In Boxburg?
Yeah.
Period, yes.
Ow!
I don't care. Pause this video. So y'all, subscribe to Blizzard Squad. I'm just kidding, don't. Go subscribe.
My old friend. Okay.
You look good.
What? What happened?
Reconnect.
I'm about to invite you, okay?
Huh?
I'm about to invite you. You're not in my server. Bruh. You're not in my server.
Mhm.
No, you're not.
Mhm.
Yeah. What? You're not in my server.
Mhm.
I'm gonna join you, okay?
Mhm.
I'm just saying.
Mhm.
You're not even in the game. You're not even in the game. Look at it, Brady. Everybody, clap your hands. With the thighs. Thighs.
Mhm.
Thighs.
Mhm.
I'm gonna join you, okay? Get in whatever game you want, and I'll join you.
Mhm.
You wanna swim me? I'm gonna swim her. Roll call.
Mhm. Okay, y'all, we're back in my private server in Tower of Dread. I think it's called Tower of Dread or Tower of Dread. Oh my gosh.
You losing health right there.
But I'm not sure, so yeah.
Let's do this. We pros.
Girl, what level are you on in this game?
I've never played this game before.
I know, but what level are you on?
What? England, did you get my text message?
I'm still on the first level. Ken. Ken.
Who's
Ken.
Ken?
One of my friends. Where are your clothing?
Oh, I'm glad I'm not down here with you guys.
Clothes.
Ain't right.
Clothes.
Get good clothes.
Sure.
I'm gonna look for you guys.
Shirt or
You guys are downtown?
pants. Oh.
Yeah,
Oops, she left. She left. Why did she leave? She could have did the video with us.
come on. Anix. Wait, how do you pronounce your YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name, I call it Anix.
Anix. Come on, Anix. I'm on single life item. What?
I completed one tower of this.
I could never. And we have 3 minutes. We have 6 minutes left.
Go without me like always.
I'm waiting for you. I don't want to wait for you.
You hear that? You just said I don't want to wait for you.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
I did it. I didn't say that.
Fly me.
You got this. You got this, Anix. Did I pronounce it right?
Yes. For
There
the
you go.
first time in your freaking life, you did. And this is the first time in your life that you did something right.
On Jupiter and Mars.
Boom. Yes, queen.
Oh, hey, little girlfriend. Just like us, Jupiter and. Oh wait, did you guys play on the video?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
If you get me copyrighted, oh my gosh.
How did you know you pressed play?
I said I'm pausing the video.
I hear you.
You don't hear anything. I'm leaving. Bye, guys. This is all for today. And
Wait,
yeah.
wait.
No, they don't want to see you in my outro.
No.
So, hey, y'all. Girl, don't make me snatch your weave off your head.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so that's all for today, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that accent. No, I don't want to see you. Get away from me. I'm going to snatch you. I'm going to snatch you in your thick legs. Get away from me.
Baby, come back. Baby, come back. Oh, no.
Coronavirus.
Round over.
Alright, so bye, guys. This is all for... They don't want to see you. Bye, guys. This is all for today. Bye.